We begin tonight with the consequences of insurrection.
Donald Trump is ineligible to serve as president under the Constitution's insurrection clause. Because he is disqualified, it would be a wrongful act under the election code for the Colorado Secretary of State to list him as a candidate on the presidential primary ballot.
Colorado is executing its state's rights to decide who should be on their own ballot.
Oh, I'm very proud to be a Coloradan and an American today.
This was a real process. It was consideration of a great deal of evidence.
It's grounded in the Constitution.
That language in the Constitution, Jim, simply could not be any clearer.
This is a slam dunk.
The former president is not eligible to be president again.
Trump incited and therefore engaged in an armed insurrection against the Constitution.
Trump is indeed ineligible to be president.
Donald Trump engaged in an insurrection against the Constitution.
The former president should not be allowed to run again.
In fact, the former president is disqualified.
Donald Trump cannot be president.
For under the Constitution, he cannot be our president again.
That engaging in insurrection has disqualified himself from holding any future federal office.
Will the Supreme Court agree with themselves?
We're confident the Supreme Court will reject that claim.
All right, we just got the breaking news. The Supreme Court issuing a ruling on the Colorado ballot case.
The court has made a decision.
This is a win for former President Trump. Here, the Supreme Court has reversed a ruling from the Colorado Supreme Court.
We've learned that it was a 9-0 decision ruling that Donald Trump can be on the ballot in Colorado.
Essentially, you cannot take somebody out of a race because an opponent would like to have it that way.